Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you my custom RGB setup. The lights sync with the monitors for an immersive experience. Stay tuned for my new project. As you select your favorite character. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I create animations step by step. First, you need to create an image prompt. After generating the image, you can then create a video prompt based on that image. Show them. So, we can create images using ChatGPT, Google Flow, or Meta AI. Some apps offer free credits, so you can use those free credits to generate images. Hey everyone, let's see how to make a video from an image. I'll use Meta AI and Google Flow. First, click Generate Video. It's processing now. And here it is, super easy and quick. First, select your favorite character from the lineup. I'm picking the pink-haired one. Now, let's ask ChatGPT for a creative ideas. And video prompt, she flies through a colorful sky. Perfect! I will tell that secret in the next video, so please subscribe. Finally, we create the video, so I will tell you the one secret to the continuation video create. So that's the final part of the project. I'm really happy as it turned out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And more updates. See you next time.
Like, share, and subscribe.